Good morning, and thank you for tuning into your daily Wallops weather briefing for Friday, July 5th. We did see some hot and humid conditions out there yesterday for the 4th of July, as well as a decent amount of thunderstorms across more interior portions of the Delmarva. Still going to be seeing a slight chance of a pop-up shower or thunderstorm late this afternoon, but coverage will be much more isolated than we saw yesterday, only running about a 15% chance of seeing anything here at Wallops. But then we will be seeing some higher shower and thunderstorm chances Saturday night into Sunday. Taking a look at our surface analysis across the region, still have high pressure dominant across the southeastern United States this morning with very weak flow. Did see some upper level energy stream overhead yesterday help to fire off some more thunderstorms than we had been seeing during the past week. Still going to be seeing that slight chance of an isolated thunderstorms, mainly in the interior portions of the Delmarva, only running about a 15% chance here. And then we're going to have some upper-level troughiness start to move across the area tomorrow night into Sunday, giving us a little bit more of an enhanced chance of seeing some widespread thunderstorm activity across the area. Taking a brief look at our upper level winds, seeing very light flow across the column this morning. Really only winds do look like they're about from the south, pretty much across the entire column with just a little bit of variability. And then only seeing those wind speeds about 5 to 10 knots. So very light, weak flow, and that's will be good for support of any isolated pop-up showers or storms across the area. Seeing the freezing level this morning just above 14,000 feet. Taking a look at our temperatures across the region, already seeing widespread temperatures in the mid to upper 80s across the area once again. Going to be seeing those heat indexes hover around or just below 100 degrees here at Wallops today. Don't expect them to get above 100, so it looks like they'll max out at around that 100 mark. And then seeing very similar conditions tomorrow. Tomorrow looks to be almost identical for today with just the additional slightly higher shower and thunderstorm chances for tomorrow night. Taking a look at our dew points across the area, still seeing widespread dew points in the mid to upper 70s, so very moist conditions out there. We saw some patchy fog earlier this morning due to that abundant low moisture and the light flow across the region. And then wind speeds across the area this morning are fairly light as well, running around 7 to 12 knots here at Wallops from the south. We'll continue to see those southerly winds as we go throughout the day today. Taking a look at our satellite here, we did see some patchy low clouds this morning, mainly across central and northern portions of the Delmarva. That has since lifted. We've started to see just a little bit of a cumulus cloud to start popping off out there. Not too much. We'll see those cumulus clouds increase and possibly grow a little bit as we go towards the early afternoon hours, and then we'll still going to be carrying that 15 to 20% chance of an isolated thunderstorm as we have this clearing and that light flow with, mainly along the sea breeze is where we're going to see any sort of thunderstorm development. So looking at a forecast for today, going to be seeing that high get up to 90 degrees today. Like I had mentioned, we'll see that heat index get at or just below 100 degrees late this morning and into late this afternoon. Seeing southerly winds throughout the day, maxing out at around 10 to 15 knots by the mid to late afternoon time frame. And then tonight, weakening to 5 to 10 knots from the southwest. Going to still be seeing a very mild low tomorrow morning, only around 77. Our lows have been running around 5 to 10 degrees below normal for about the past week or so that will be continuing as we go into the extended period here. Going to just be seeing that very slight chance of an isolated shower and thunderstorm, mainly between about 2 to 4 p.m. and then afterwards we'll see chances increase or continue, but they will just be affecting the interior portion of the Delmarva and not here at Wallops or over on the island. Taking a look at the terminal forecast, just seeing a few scattered deck of clouds near 2,000 feet and some scattered thin cirrus clouds. That'll mainly be the case throughout the day, possibly seeing things become broken if we get a isolated shower or thunderstorm in the vicinity. As we go into tonight, we're going to be seeing the slight chance of those low clouds developing once again as our flow remains weak and we have very moist boundary layer conditions. Seeing a scattered deck of 700 feet, scattered at 5,000, scattered at 15,000, possibly broken around 500 feet, especially between 4 and 8 a.m. Still seeing tides out there just half foot above normal across the Delmarva Atlantic coast. So taking a look at our short-term model here, just to show you how those thunderstorms are going to pop up across the region as we go towards this afternoon. Should start to see some Towering cumulus clouds develop as we go towards the 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. time frame. This is a 1 p.m. we're looking at here, and as we go to 2 p.m., you'll start to see these model outputting some showers and storms. It has been doing a pretty good job the past couple days, so it does look like we will see some isolated thunderstorm activity, but as you can see, it's going to be north of Wallops. And then more of in the interior portion of the peninsula, and then those will slowly die off as we go through the afternoon and lose our daytime heating, and then tonight's going to be very similar to last night. Tomorrow's going to be very similar to today. Taking a look at our extended model here, going to be just seeing that weak flow with those showers and thunderstorms popping up with the daytime heating as we go through today and into tomorrow. As we go into tomorrow, there is going to be some upper level troughiness approaching the area as well as a front. That's going to allow us to remain still dry, I think, through much of the day Saturday, but as that front approaches, we are going to be seeing some shower and thunderstorm chances increase a bit as we go into Saturday night, and seeing some wide scattered shower and thunderstorm development Saturday night into Sunday morning. Then Sunday, things should clear out early, but it does look like we're still going to have that front in the vicinity as well as some upper level moisture, and it's still going to be very humid out there, so we are going to be seeing those widespread showers and thunderstorms pop up again as early as late morning on Sunday, and then it does look like shower and thunderstorm chances will really continue across the entire Delmarva throughout the entire day on Sunday, and then continuing to see just a slight chance of a pop-up thunderstorm as we go into the start of our work week next week. So looking at our 7-day forecast, going to just be seeing about a 15% chance of an isolated pop-up shower or storm, mainly across more interior portions of the Delmarva. Looking at a high of 90 today and tomorrow. Tomorrow should remain dry throughout the day. We aren't going to see those chances of showers and storms until we get late in the day or early in the evening Saturday as we get that upper level energy approaching and that weak front. And then we'll see those showers and thunderstorms that chances increase as we go Saturday night into Sunday. Looks like we're running around 30 to 40% for Saturday night. Sunday, we're going to have that front in the vicinity as well as continued humid conditions, and that's going to, as well as some upper level support as well. That's going to give us a much better chance of seeing some widespread thunderstorms pretty much throughout the entire day on Sunday. Then that front will weaken and move off east of the area. Still going to be seeing though some warm and unstable conditions, so can't rule out a slight chance on Monday of seeing some isolated thunderstorms, pop-up showers and storms, pretty much similar to what we're expecting today. But we are going to be seeing some upper-level ridging move in through Monday into Wednesday. That's going to dry things out. Not really expecting any chances for rain, especially on Tuesday and Wednesday. This is going to be partly cloudy and actually fairly seasonable conditions, except for those morning lows still remaining a little bit above average. So expect those temperatures just to remain in the mid-80s Monday through Wednesday. And then as we go on to Thursday, we're going to be seeing some more upper-level energy moving through the area, as well as seeing those moist southwesterly winds increase once again across the region, and that will begin to increase our daily afternoon showers and thunderstorms once again as we go into Thursday and towards the end of next week. That'll do it for your daily weather briefing. We'll be back on Monday at 8:15 a.m. and at 10 a.m. Have a wonderful weekend.